In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to coach teammates on Basecamp etiquette and norms in Basecamp. We'll start by aligning on communication principles that make Basecamp shine. Basecamp is built around asynchronous, thoughtful communication. That means writing first, chat second, and reserving real-time back and forth for the rare moments when speed truly matters. Encourage your team to post important topics on message boards instead of chat. This creates a shared, searchable record that everyone can find later, even if they weren't online at the time. Set expectations that instant replies aren't the default. Quick responses are reserved for actual emergencies. When decisions matter, ask for long-form write-ups that include context and options. Chat, on the other hand, is best for ephemeral questions or a quick check. Above all, think before you post, choose the right place, consider timing, and aim for clarity. To make these ideas stick, distill them into a short Basecamp communication norms document. Keep it practical and easy to reference so new and existing teammates can stay aligned without guesswork. Next, turn those principles into clear, written team guidelines and pin them in a shared project, such as your HQ or onboarding project. Spell out how to choose the right medium. Message boards for announcements and decisions, to-dos for assigned work with owners and dates, and campfire for quick informal checks. Model clarity and respect by using descriptive titles and giving context, what needs to happen, why it matters, and by when. Avoid vague asks like, handle this without details. Protect focus time by defaulting to asynchronous updates and avoiding expectations of immediate chat replies. Keep conversations organized by tying discussions to the relevant to-dos or topics. And keep your project history useful by avoiding the habit of scattering or deleting important information in chat threads that will be hard to retrieve later. Finally, introduce the key tools and when to use them so everyone knows where to put things. Use message boards for important announcements, decisions, and project-wide discussions that benefit from thoughtful writing. Use to-dos for task assignments with a clear who, what, and when, so ownership is obvious. Use Campfire for quick questions and real-time collaboration that doesn't need a long shelf life. Use docs and files to store reference documents, templates, and shared assets so nothing gets buried. And use automatic check-ins to gather regular status updates without pulling everyone into a meeting. By agreeing on principles, writing them down, and teaching the right tool for the job, you'll reduce chaos, protect focus, and help your team communicate clearly in Basecamp.